Hey guys, just Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing outside our beautiful new listing. This one is 98 Old Meadow Plain Road in Simsbury, Connecticut, a part of the Latimer Lane Elementary School District. This is a lovely, totally remodeled, raised ranch style home. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car attached garage, as you can see right here. Just within the last couple years, they have all new siding, new front door, new roof, new windows. The basement has been completely remodeled with all nice vinyl plank flooring, freshly painted, remodeled kitchen. It's got gas, heat, and public utilities. That's warm air, so very easy to add the central air component in here. What I love about this location, it is so great. You're close to the rails to trails. You're close to Talcott Mountain for hiking. You are located in sweet Latimer Lane Elementary School District. And the floor plan is nice and open. Great sized living room, open into the dining room. The master features a remodeled ensuite master bath as well. All the hardwood floors have been refinished too. Nothing to do here but unpack your bags and move in. This one won't last long. It's hitting the market in just a few days. If you want more details, you better give us a call. 860-325-2484 or visit us on our website at starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.